Guess what? Daddy's gonna bring you out some sausage. Is that, yeah, that's good, eh? Is that milk on your chin, Olivia? Are you drinking milk out of your big girl cup? Is that good? You're like, what are you talking about, Mom? Is that Zoe? Hi, Zoe. There's Olivia. Where's Daddy? Are you just waiting for Daddy? While we're just taping you, waiting for Daddy? Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. Say, Dad, Dad, Dad. Dad, Dad, Dad.
Yeah.
You have to say it. You can't just mouth the word silly. Dad, Dad, Dad. Is that your cup? There's Dad, Dad, Dad.
Where's your tray?
It's right there.
Didn't see it. The light's blinding me.
You didn't see her tray on top of her?
The light from the camera is blinding me. Whoa, hold on.
So we are giving her the spinach ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
They just came out.
And there's pierogies that you like. Oh my good lord, that's a lot of pierogi. Okay. Madam. Here. Hi. Can you have this? Instead of all the pierogi in your mouth? Good job. Eat that. What do you think of that? Is that good? It's a mouthful of food you've got. What should I eat? Do you like that? Is that good supper that Dada made you? Is that good? Did Dada do a good job? Well, don't shove so much in there. You want to say bye?
Sausage too?
Yep, she did. You want to say bye-bye? Or are you too busy eating? Now you're watching Daddy. Bye. Nope, she's busy.